This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about the differences between pages and posts in WordPress. So the main difference between pages and posts is that pages are usually reserved for timeless content or static content, whereas posts are reserved for timely content or dynamic content. Okay, so a few other differences is that posts you can categorize, whereas pages you cannot. Pages follow hierarchy instead. Posts you're also able to show in your RSS feed, whereas pages you cannot. You can also show authors on posts, but you cannot do that on pages. And then another difference is that posts, you're able to add custom formats to them, whereas pages, usually there's only very few templates you can add, and you have to customize it to your preferences, whereas with posts, there's usually custom formats such as, this is a gallery post, or this is an image post, or etc. So it makes it a little bit more customized in that sense, where you can kind of just jump in and add your content and you're good to go. Okay, so that's kind of the main differences between posts and pages. Pages we use for more static content, such as your about page, your contact page, etc. Granted, it can change, you can update it, etc., but it's not really given an updated tag, etc. when it comes to posts, and you also can't have authors or add it to your RSS feed, etc. Whereas posts are more dynamic content, such as for blog posts or announcements, etc. They can be, updated just like pages can, but you can also have your authors displayed. It can go into your RSS feed, and it can be formatted pretty quickly when you use the formatted page attributes or the post attributes to whatever you need it to be. Okay, so that's kind of the main differences between pages and posts. Page used for static content, such as your homepage, and posts used for more dynamic content, such as your blog post page. Hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.